In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Trello account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Trello accounts are part of Atlassian accounts. That means deleting your Trello account also deletes your Atlassian account and can affect other Atlassian products you might use, like Jira or Confluence. If there's anything you want to keep, consider exporting your boards or handing off ownership of important workspaces before you proceed. Start on Trello in your web browser and make sure you're signed in and viewing your boards page. This is the main landing area where you can see your boards. From here, move to the top right corner and click your profile icon. It might be your avatar or your initials. That opens a small menu with options related to your profile. Choose settings from that menu. This takes you into your Trello account settings where you can manage personal details and preferences. On the settings page, look for the link that says Manage or Delete Your Atlassian Account. Selecting this will take you out of Trello and into Atlassian's account management area, typically in a new tab. That's normal because the deletion action is controlled centrally by Atlassian. Once the Atlassian Account Manager opens, go to Account Preferences. This section houses key options that apply to your overall account, not just Trello. Inside Account Preferences, find and select Delete Account. When you do, Atlassian will show you a summary of what's about to happen and which products are tied to your account. Take a moment to read this carefully so you understand the scope of the deletion. At this point, follow the on-screen prompts. Atlassian may ask you to verify your identity or acknowledge the consequences before you can finalize the deletion. This is to ensure the request is intentional. After you confirm, the deletion is scheduled and you may receive a confirmation email. Timing can vary, and once the process completes, access to Trello and any other linked Atlassian products will be removed for that account. A couple of important notes as you wrap up. If you're part of shared workspaces, your deletion doesn't remove the workspace itself. Other members keep access to shared boards, but you won't. If you own critical boards or integrations, ensure they've been transferred beforehand so your team isn't blocked. And if you manage billing or subscriptions, coordinate with your organization's admins so services continue smoothly. That's it. You've navigated from Trello to Atlassian account management and initiated deletion through account preferences. Take your time with the warnings, confirm when ready, and you'll be set.